Hey guys, my name is Tim and this is Courtney, and we're about to catch you up on exactly where we've been for the last year. Here we go.
Perfect, I love that.
Hey guys, we are back, and guess what? We are back at the same place we were the last time you saw us before we moved to Texas. Now that I've got some good coffee, we're gonna ramp our channel back up, start videoing again. So we've managed a few attempts of going places with both children and filming video, and it just hasn't worked out very well, but I think we've got it nailed down this time to continue on. So what we have going right now is Finley's right here, and then Adley's right there, and that frees us up a little bit to be able to hold the camera, maybe set up some B-roll, use tripods and stuff like that. This is a Waco Magnolia Farm, but real life. Adley just ate a bunch of food, and then a bunch of food just came all over the whole thing. And then I got Gemma and Finley over here. We just got done eating on the lawn right here, and about ready to go hit some shops. Gonna do some shopping.
Yeah.
One of the food truck guys gave Finley this little ring pop, and she's never had one before. She approves.
We made a baby.
Yeah.
Since you've seen us last.
We figured now would be a good time to kind of catch you up on what we've been doing, what we're doing, and then maybe just a little bit, maybe what we're going to be doing in the future. I think the last thing that you guys saw is we bought the toy hauler and moved to Texas.
We still have that toy hauler.
We do. It is now up for sale, and the house that we are currently living in, we bought a house, and the house we are getting ready to put up for sale as well. We tried Texas for the opportunity, and we definitely have decided that Texas is not for us. So we are going to go back full-time RVing, and then our end goal is back to Colorado, which was originally our goal in the beginning.
So basically we're just going to be doing exactly what we were doing a year ago. Or 2 years ago,
yeah.
Except with 2 kids instead of just 1 kid. So
just like a little intermission. So here's a little bit about what to expect here in the near future is the sale of our house. We're gonna look for another RV, and we might have found one. So here in the next few videos, probably gonna be it. Also going to be traveling, kind of mini spurts, a lot of videos on whatever RV we do end up getting. We're gonna renovate that as well, electrical, carpet, whatever, I don't really know. We'll see, but I'm gonna document that. So before you see any more travel type videos, we're gonna do a little bit more technical, and then our experiences with that. So guess what?
what?
We just signed papers.
We got it?
We got it.
Oh my gosh, yes!